As I walked up the stairs, dizzily. Merry Christmas! Boy, this talk about dirty lenses.
I have to get up first.
Having Christmas at Nani's house. Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Why is this flickering?
Now,
Nick?
is this going to, I don't know. Where's
Flickering.
Your husband? What's the picture doing up there? How'd you find it?
Oh yeah, show George the picture.
We went to this big hotel in San Francisco, and all these people who were potential models, they had to walk down this runway. They were strutting, you know, with their outfits on.
Just like you did now, pulling your
Young men. It
slip
was
up.
exciting. It was an exciting night. Something I'd never seen, and she was in it, and she looked gorgeous. And she's had a couple of offers for jobs, but the point is, they stick your hair all out with guns. This is a Xerox copy of her photograph.
It's a giant
You know, if you think they would
How you doing, Jim?
What's happened, Jim?
Yeah, I met Jim. How are you, Jim? Nice to see you.
Good to see you.
Haven't seen you since the wedding.
Yeah.
Look at this, she's waving.
Debbie's husband.
Nice to meet you,
You know
Rick.
who to go to, don't
A lot
you?
about you.
Oh, good.
All good stuff.
Good stuff. Great, great. That's good.
Somebody your side.
Yeah. Keep away from me, boy.
No, I was gonna double tie it, but it keeps it still up on the back.
Oh, that's the woman your mother knows. German lady?
This doesn't say anything. Where was the manual?
Hi.
I don't know, it's some work for
That's why it wasn't.
She's gonna give you the place to stay and everything. Boy, that's
A lot of people, right? A lot of strange people.
to yourself, you know? You gotta take the good with the bad.
Yeah, boy.
Oh yeah, tell me about it.
Jimmy, how old is your baby?
Merry Christmas, guys!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Guys! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Debbie!
Merry Christmas, Debbie!
Oh, big kiss.
Miss Jude.
Yeah, I guess it is.
At the food table.
My lips. My lips, they're outlined.
73.
In February.
Oh, great.
I'm here.
Because I'm going to Hawaii, she better come.
Oh. People are going to Hawaii, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna baby.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna have their car.
I have spiders in my house.
Really? How long?
Okay, walk away with that one.
Yeah, really. Kendra and Jonathan.
Oh, yeah.
Now let it go. Is it on still?
Yeah.
Okay, so you just push it to turn it on, then you push it again to turn it off.
Okay, so it's on right now.
It's on, yeah, as long as the green light's on. And you zoom in and out.
Stay down here.
Oh, so I just
It's a movie. It's not a picture. It's a movie. No, you can think about it.
This is smoking room. Hi, George.
His birthday.
There's a green light, make sure the green light's on.
Still on.
Okay, you got it.
Oh, let's see those lips. Those outlines. No, I just picked it up. It's Debbie's.
Here's Scott and Lisa.
Hi.
Santa Claus.
Hi, Lisa. Look at the camera.
Okay. Did Margaret have a piece? I need another cake server, I guess. I don't know what happened. Wait a minute.
Chew, work faster. Come on, Chew.
Ready, right?
Yeah, go ahead, yeah, here you
Talk
go.
about your children.
This is
Talk about sex.
Roxanne.
No, not together, please. I mean, you can't mention sex and children in the same breath.
When you used to hang around when you were
What? What was the first time you were in I think that when I asked Debbie for a pencil in homeroom in, what was it, sophomore year, and you went, here!
Well, you were popular and I wasn't, and I thought, my God, she spoke to me. She's a popular girl.
Little did she know that I wasn't.
She was one of those Bradford girls. I was just a Riverside girl.
That's right.
The Bradford girls had a
Yeah,
big
that's right.
popular
They had
group.
the image.
Yeah.
And then it was downhill
Must have been the
from
pumps.
there.
Who was the girl that we over at Bradford Junior College we used to go visit? We drop past it and sit around the lawn. With Peter Weiner. Do you know
Yeah,
Peter?
yeah, I'm trying to think of her name.
No,
No big deal.
I want to get that one right.
Yeah.
Sorry, crazy stuff.
Peter Wetter. Peter Wetter.
I don't know why she said that.
Come on. Hi, Kyle.
I don't know where the term goes. Unless it's just my bottom. I've been well retired, and I'm still working.
Oh, there you are.
How's things going down?
Yeah.
Not that Roxy and Dennis friends, sure.
I'll project him for next year.
She said that things were kind of tough right now. She said they just got a big contract, but she said Debbie was excelling.
Can I get you?
Uh-oh.
Gotcha.
What are you doing? You having to go out?
Smile for the camera.
She can look at her camera. She likes the kids.
Nope, this is Ted.
Kyle and Craig, you leave the dog alone now, because you know what's going to happen? He's going to bite you.
Yeah. We sitting him on the beach and we down there we brought him.
Debbie, what do we do with the bean pot?
Did he bring the bean pot? Yeah, you did bring the bean pot. Okay, you go home. It is here because you brought it in. I know.
If you can't find it, call me. I have my buttons. I'll give you that.
There we go.
Hi.
A second. Right there, I got bunkers. There you go. Hey, come on. There you go. All right. Just got.
See you in Hollywood.
All right. Wow, good guess,
Then
huh?
you have to thank
Your husband had a coat?
She did some.
What did I do?
You didn't have a coat?
No, I didn't.
Oh,
I can't
good.
afford one.
Okay.
Christmas up there.
Mine's good, yeah. Scott, you Christmas Eve? Oh, I hope so. On Christmas Eve, and I'll see your smiling face.
I might even go to church with you. They like
Really?
Nice sweet pie. Try the sweetie pie.
Thank you very much.
So good. So easy. Rick.
Hi.
Bye.
During the last week, it was.
Yeah, we want to go to the camera.
Oh, yeah?
All right.
I sold that for peanuts.
Everyone was doing well, so.
Because when I went out looking for a light, I could not buy a light, but I sold that.
We have a lot of those.
It was real old. That was old. That's what I said to myself. And plus, you know, the water inside is sick. Right at the end, remember? We couldn't even hold the water until 4th of July.
We're going to know if you live in California.
Who are you? No. That little girl that goes to her dad used that.
What's that? Did a good job. Yeah, not really. You know, but
knocked down
It
walls.
should have, the plumbing all should have been in the walls and all the ductwork.
Yeah.
We jumped from 6 employees to 2 now.
Oh, nice.
Because we're merging.
I can see John holding the
That was
baby.
Kyle.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's amazing.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah.
John was holding the baby and walking around.
This is my mother's girl.
I know, I just brought her for, and I almost said, where's your mother?
You guys moved. Didn't you?
What?
Yeah.
You just couldn't do it.
The market around here is very soft. Very soft.
Yeah, it's getting a little better.
You know, you could have done that a few years ago. But everything I have into a house either.
No, that's true.
Hey, you!
That's a smile.
No, it's There you go.